We're turning this frameless mirror with these ugly clips into To start, you're going to need some trim molding. My mirror is 60 by 36 inches, so I just needed two 8-foot long pieces. These have a lip on the back to go around the mirror. Next are these Ornate molding appliques. These are all from Home Depot online. Some are made from polyurethane and some are made from wood. They're super light and vary in sizes. Just get whatever pieces you like best. There are a ton of options. I'll link the exact ones in the description box below. You're going to need some metallic gold spray paint and acrylic paint and antique gold. You're also going to need a handsaw, hot glue, white paint, and sandpaper. In total, I spent about $63. First, we're going to paint any wood pieces with white paint. I'm just using white wall paint samples I had, but you can use acrylic paint. Raw wood absorbs a lot of spray paint, so this acts like a primer and will make the gold more vibrant. While that dries, we're going to cut the trim pieces. A trick to get perfect mitered corners is to get a piece of paper, fold it at one of the corners. Line the trim piece up to the edge of the paper and mark on either side where it intersects with the crease. Then make a line. This will give you a perfect 45-degree angle. Then you're just going to use a handsaw to cut where you marked. Sand down the edges with 220 grit sandpaper so that they're smooth. Lay out all the pieces and spray paint it with the gold spray paint. You might need a couple coats to get in all the crevices. Don't forget to spray the back as well. Since this is going on a mirror, the back of the pieces will be reflected, so make sure you paint it. Then let it dry overnight. Once everything is dry, with the antique gold paint, paint the crevices of the appliques. Don't worry about it being perfect, the messier the better. This is going to give it an aged look and add more dimension. Before the paint dries completely, take a paper towel and gently rub the excess off the surfaces. Do this process to the trim pieces too. When everything is dry, play with the layout of the appliques and see what you like best. The top of my frame has the 5 larger pieces and the bottom has 3. Then just hot glue everything on. Work fast since the hot glue dries super quick. I tried this with E6000, but the hot glue actually worked out a lot better. And since it's going on glass, you can remove it if you need to, whereas the E6000 would be permanent.